Meet the Erowa ER-035297 compatible ER32 Collet Chuck Holder. Precision and reliability in every setup. Designed with an ITS-50 system size, this holder is perfect for clamping cylindrical parts with unbeatable stability. With a clamping range from 0.2mm to 0.20mm, it adapts to various sizes, handling small to medium parts with ease. This ER32 Collet Chuck Holder is not only easy to set up, but also compatible with Erowa 72mm pallets, adding flexibility to your workflow. Experience the difference of a high-quality tool that boosts your setup speed and improves your machining precision. If you're looking to save time and achieve better results, this is the tool for your shop. Get yours today and elevate your machining game.